welcome to Real Times. I'm Carrie Obedzinski with Times Microwave Systems and Amphenol Company, and this is our vlog where we talk about industry trends, new products, meet some people, talk about everything coax. Today I have with us Bill Setzer. He is our new, I liked the wave. I don't think anyone's ever done that. He is our new Director of Operations. Thanks for joining us, Bill.
Pleasure to be here.
So what are some paths you see to our future? Are you looking at anything specific, or what do you see as far as times and where we're going to go and what we're going to do on the operation side?
Yeah, so I think fully utilizing our global manufacturing footprint is going to be one of the first priorities. You know, we've got factories all over the world. You know, they have some of their own skill sets where they are, you know, the absolute professionals in for what we do. And there's other areas where we definitely want to get a little bit more overlap, some cross-training, you know, make sure that there's no like siloed communications within our organization, anything like that. And then, yeah, there's a lot of new equipment. There's some exciting new materials out in the market, which not going to talk about right now by any means, but no, some new equipment, some new materials. I think that we've got a an exciting future.
Well, I like that. So with the new products comes the new processes, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, we've heard a lot about that today. Also, you're constantly, we're growing and expanding. So what's your advice to anyone looking to come to Times? Why to come to Times and why to come, be on the operations side of things?
Yeah, so I think that, one of the really nice things about working at Times Microwave is that, you get to learn a lot. You know, if you apply to a quality role, you're going to find yourself getting much more engineering knowledge than maybe you would have expected. Same thing from an operations side. If you go into operations, you're going to learn about Lean Six Sigma. You're going to learn about best practices in quality, best practices in engineering, and even some HR. There's a lot of working with your coworkers, working with everybody on the factory floor. It's a fun environment. But definitely it's the right fit for somebody who's hungry. They want to kind of test themselves. They they want to explore everything that they are capable of. And I think Times Microwave and Amphenol definitely offers those opportunities.
And lots of opportunities. I think that's a really great way to put it.
A tremendous number of opportunities, and with quite a few openings immediately if anybody's looking.
Yeah, there you go. And I like you really reiterated sort of what Adrian Milner, GM, stated, that there's no walls. Like, it's really, you're out of the box and you can kind of become whom you want to become, and really focus on people's strengths to truly help them find the right fit here. And, there's always opportunity, which is great.
There's always opportunity.
I'm here. Yeah. It's been a really fun ride. So with that, is there any message you'd like to say to either the employees or the customers about, your vision and, where you see Times headed?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I think, I think we were already on the right path. I'm very excited to continue with that path. I think from an employee standpoint, I'm very excited to be in this role. I've gotten to meet pretty much all of the team and work alongside them. And I'm excited for what we get to do in these next few years. And yeah, from a customer standpoint, certainly. I think Times has the best products in the industry, and I want to make sure that we keep widening that gap.
I like that. We're going to get you more comfortable shoes for walking the floor, though.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. You tend to wear through your safety shoes and your dress shoes pretty quickly.
Exactly, yeah. Between that and our 4 flights of stairs, right?
Yes, the TMS Stairmaster.
There you go. Well, thank you for joining us. I really appreciate it. If you'd like to learn more about Times or the opportunities available to join our team, please visit timesmicrowave.com. Again, like us and share our vlog, and thank you for watching. Until next time, stay healthy and well.